Welcome to the for the Xiaomi 13 Lite, and I'll show you how to switch off this device. So just to do that, we should press the power key button for a few seconds. And now, as you can see here, that when I press and hold the power key, the Google Assistant is activated. You can use the power button and volume up that button together if you wanna use the power off menu, but if you just want to use only the power key to turn off your device, you should just open the settings and scroll down to additional settings, then click to gesture shortcuts, tap to launch Google Assistant and click to the switcher to turn it off. And now with the press to the power key button for a couple of seconds, we'll see here the power off menu, and just to turn off the device, click to power off. Once again, click to power off icon twice, and after that we can see that the screen is dark, so this means that our device is turned off. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.